Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to assemble a double-sided arch for Chipolino cucumbers. I have a small plot for planting cucumbers, measuring 4 by 4 meters. And here we plan to plant cucumbers in 2 rows. To make sure they take up as little space as possible, we want to set up this kind of arch. It's easy to assemble and just as easy to take apart. So let's start assembling it. I bought 4 of these arches for cucumbers. They come packed in a compact box. Now we'll unpack it and put it together. First, let's take a comprehensive and detailed look together at precisely what is thoughtfully and carefully included within this particular set, examining each component individually to understand its purpose and contribution to the overall collection. The comprehensive set for this impressive arch includes a robust set of durable tubes, a finely woven net specifically designed for securely supporting the growing cucumbers, a complete set of specialized plastic fasteners for attaching the net firmly, and a concise yet informative small instruction manual that also provides a convenient link to a detailed video demonstration on how to efficiently and correctly assemble this entire structure. But it's actually hard to put together, so I decided to make my own video. To begin, carefully take 2 tubes, each equipped with double T-shaped connectors, and then securely join them together. They connect easily using these fasteners, which are simple to press. They stick a little bit. The fastening mechanism itself looks like this. Here you press a button that's spring-loaded from the inside. It all seems to be galvanized stainless steel, but time will tell. That's the fastener. I worked it in a little bit. Now let's connect these 2 tubes together. After that, we unpack this bundle of 4 tubes. And we'll make the posts. There are no fasteners here like there were at the top part. We carefully take these elongated posts, which are equipped with sharp pointed tips, and then proceed to securely connect them to the robust tubes located on either end of the structure, ensuring a firm and stable attachment. So, you need to do this 4 times. Now all 4 posts are ready. Now carefully insert them into the precisely T-shaped connectors of the top tube. They should go in quite easily here without encountering any significant issues or difficulties whatsoever. 2 on the left side and 2 on the right side. After that, take the 2 remaining bundles of tubes, 2 in each bundle. One is shorter, the other is longer, and connect them together. Here, a button lock connector is also used. Just like this. And after that, we carefully insert this specialized tube into our prepared posts. After that, you can place this post in its designated spot where the cucumbers will be planted. Here in this area, I will have 4 posts, each 2 meters tall. And then I will start stretching the cucumber support net. For now, this is how everything looks. There will be a maintenance path running between these posts. After that, we will plan out the area and start driving these posts into the ground so they don't get blown away by strong winds. And in the same way, we assemble the next 2 supports for the cucumbers. And we drive the supports into the ground. And after the arches are set deeper, it's necessary to secure the support net. The complete kit includes 14 essential fasteners specifically designed for this particular net. And they need to be securely and precisely attached to the arch in such a careful and deliberate way that they pull it evenly. To effectively achieve this, we strategically place 5 of them on the lower post. With the hook facing down. And we carefully place one sturdy hook on each of the central support posts as well, making absolutely sure the hook faces directly outward. After that, we start attaching the fastening net. It is sold as part of the kit, but it may also be sold separately, so buy it separately if it's not included. We then begin the process of carefully stretching it to precisely fit the desired size. First, we secure it at the bottom. This is what the stretched net looks like. On this fastener. And now we'll do the same with the rest of the fasteners. This is how the stretched net looks on this arch. After that, we will proceed with the exact same operation on all of the other arches, ensuring that everything seamlessly transforms into a single, cohesive unit, effectively becoming 2 distinct and elongated arches. A month has now passed, and at this very moment the cucumbers have truly started to grow on this sturdy trellis. They climb up the net on their own. As you can clearly see, they've successfully reached the very top and have now gracefully started to hang down on the other side, creating a beautiful and impressive visual. In this way, the rest of the cucumbers have also started to climb up. The trellis hasn't rusted, even though it constantly gets water on it during watering.
Well, so far the quality is good. The net hasn't fallen apart. Here's the sun. You just watched a video on how to assemble a trellis for Chipolino brand cucumbers. Leave your feedback and comments, give us a like, and subscribe to our channel. Stay with us. See you all next time.